Do you get the same notification on your phone and your watch at the same time with the latest update for Galaxy Watch 6? Samsung added a new feature called Smart Device Selection. It helps decide where notifications should appear. Let me show you how to enable it and how it works. First, open Galaxy Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap Watch Setting. Tap Notification. Under Phone Notification on Watch section, select Smart Device Selection. So, how Smart Device Selection works: when you are wearing your watch, if your phone screen is on and you are using your phone, notification will appear on your phone, not on your watch. If your phone screen is off or locked, notification will appear on your watch and they will be mute on your phone. This way you don't get duplicate notification. This feature makes notification smarter and less annoying. You see notification on the device you are actually using at the moment. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.